Hey guys, welcome to lesson 3 of module 4. Now in this lesson I'm just going to cover some targeting. I mentioned targeting, finding your target audience beforehand in the last video. But in this lesson, I will cover further targeting. Okay, I'm going to go a bit more in depth with it, and we'll actually find some content, and we will, dig into the targeting for that and dig into, the interests for it. Now, first thing is, let's say we find our content. Okay, let's look for some content. I'm doing this right from scratch. I haven't looked at any articles beforehand, so I'm gonna do this. We're gonna start it right now. Okay, so I'm gonna enter a topic. Let's enter in running. Okay, Facebook shares. This is what the extra shoelace hole is used for. I wish I knew this earlier. Okay, this is actually targetable. You can actually target people with this one. Let's click on it. Let's just see what it looks like. It's amazing article, 649,000 shares on Facebook. Look at that. AdSense. Another network here probably. AdSense. You know what I mean? It's insane. 193 comments. You can see that this is, this is just a site like ours, the kind of ones we would run. None of this really looks nice, but the ad placements are brilliant, it seems. Content here, ad placement right in the center there. Perfect. But anyways, we can see that this is just a normal article. So what's our audience over here? Very simple. This is what the extra shoelace hole is used for. You could even see if shoelace alone is an interest target. You can look at just shoes, Nike, Adidas, Puma, all of these brands target shoes, Jordans, Air Jordans, just target such shoe related brands. That's your target audience right there. What would your age be around this? Well, obviously you can, with this is quite cool because it's the extra shoelace hole. This can actually be targeted to anyone because everyone wears shoes with holes. You can target up to probably 45-year-olds on this one. It's an interesting article. Give it a shot, check it out. Let's go down. Mum is recording her disabled son running in a race when she catches this on camera. Disabled son running in a race when she catches this on camera. See, these ones get a bit hard, but if we really had to target someone here, we would target, very simple actually, we would target people with disabilities. We could potentially target mothers, and then we could target, mothers, obviously people with kids, because Facebook, you can break it all down. You have a lot of targeting options, behaviors, etc. Mothers, married people, couples, blah blah blah, everything's there. So with this, I would target people with I would just target the interest of disabilities, being disabled, being, I don't know, paralyzed, because they all kind of relate to an extent. People would view it. Okay, so target audience there, it's all in the title. I am not having to look into the content to find my target audience. If I don't see my target audience within the title of the article, I do not run with it. I find another article. Let's move on to a different topic. Okay, let's type in cooking. Level up your cooking with these awesome kitchen gadgets. This is very, very broad. It's just level up your cooking with these awesome kitchen gadgets. Well, there's the keyword. Your keyword is cooking, but cooking is going to be massive audience on Facebook. Break it down. You target Gordon Ramsay. I don't even know the other chef's name. You can target all these other chefs. Jamie Oliver. Target such people. Target restaurants. Blah blah blah. Big YouTubers who are doing cooking tutorials, you can target them. That's your audience right there. Or you can target utensils, kitchen utensil, blah blah. Everything's in the title. Kitchen gadgets, links to utensils. Level up your cooking, links to cooking chefs, books, cooking books, whatever. Big brands, you can target them. They said it's a meth lab, but we're cooking something worse in the bedroom. Okay, that sounds insane. I could not work out the target audience for that, so I'm gonna actually move on to the next one. 3 tips to cooking crispy pasta, whatever that is. That's not pasta, I'd imagine. What is pasta? Okay, this is something new to me. I actually never knew what this was. Nevertheless, we have 3 tips. We can split that into 3 pages. We have this food name here. You type in that food name into Facebook, and that's it. You know, that's your audience right there. And if not that, you can target the meat included in that. You can target different chefs, different cooking sites. A big one on Facebook these days, very, very viral content, is Tip Hero. You can target them. You can target, I don't know if there's BuzzFeed food section interest, you can target them. Okay, 10 quick and healthy freezer to slow cooker meals. No prep cooking needed. Boom boom pow. You just target slow cookers, okay? Slow cooker meals, whatever. Pulled pork, I don't know. You just target slow cooker. You can target a slow cooker audience. You can, at the same time, you can target you know, cooking brands such as Tip Hero, Sorted Foods, and you know, that's your target audience right there. And you know, I'm not going to bore you with any more. I'm not going to look at more content and find it. You can see that I'm finding my target audience straight from the title of the content, and that's all it takes. If you can find your target audience from the title of the article, then run with it. But if you cannot find your target audience within the title of the article, then leave it and just move on, because there's a bunch of content online that you can actually, you know, find and make it go, have it go viral. You don't need to waste your time trying to make something, you know, trying to get a confusing thing to work for you. You know, don't put yourself through that hassle and confusion. Just take the easy way, the simple way, and you know, just get it done. But yeah, that's it for this video and for this lesson. So if you do have any questions, you know, if anything confused you in this video, if I spoke a bit too fast, do pop up in the Facebook group. Just drop your questions there, and me or someone in the group will get it answered. Alright, take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next